What's up, my crypto legends? The last 2 weeks on Bitcoin have been absolutely insane, where we were looking for those potential long positions, the Bitcoin price going all the way up to the $32,000, having it stop here at the $30,600 range, and then another leg up to $32,000 range here, so we can look for those shorting opportunities. We absolutely dropped from this range, and once we had this big aggressive drop, we were also taking a look at these major levels here, the $30,600 to take that shorting opportunity. Also, it's been an absolute crazy week here for Bitcoin, because yesterday we were talking about the scenario here of us getting rejected here at the $31,500 level, having that consolidation and that potential drop also on yesterday's live stream. Now, if you want to know what do I think can happen for Bitcoin, the most important levels, make sure to stay tuned in this episode. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. What happened the last couple of weeks was just absolutely pure luck. I have no idea where the price can go, where the price can get rejected or supported. So make sure to unsubscribe of the channel. I'm out of here. Only joking, guys, and welcome back. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, daily TA on Bitcoin crypto, also the live stream to connect with the community. I am not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Let's dive in here straight to the charts, guy. I'm going to go straight into the point here, because this is the Bitcoin chart on the 4 hourly. We had a super aggressive drop, okay, from this range. I was pretty surprised. We actually didn't hold this $30,700 area, where we do have massive touches here as resistance. Remember, it is also the value area high from this trading range, okay, apart from this volatility that we did have above. Remember, this was a very, very strong level, as you can see here, bouncing several times as resistance, didn't hold as support one single bit, as you can see here on the chart. So now what could happen after this aggressive drop? We can clearly see that we are getting a stop. We actually got a major consolidation from this $29,300 area. As you can see, if we zoom in on the 2 hourly, we were getting a nice consolidation for a potential long opportunity, but I would be super cautious, because we could probably get exhausted and roll back down. Now, what are the most important levels here on Bitcoin as resistance where we could potentially get rejected? Well, we're already hitting a major level at this point. Why is it a major level? You can go to the 2 hourly chart, the 4 hourly chart. It doesn't really matter, because they do open and close at similar levels. Look at the open here on the 4 hourly, on the 2 hourly, it's almost the same. We have pretty large spikes on volume here, so the back of this range can actually hold a little bit of resistance, but because we've had such an aggressive drop, I do think that higher levels is very, very possible. What other level is extremely important here on Bitcoin, of course, would be the 50% range. The 50% range from this actual drop that we did have yesterday, starting from the $31,700 area, okay, from this major drop. We're taking a look at Fibonacci levels, the 50% level, and the 618, my favorite levels, of course, where we could potentially get rejected on the price of BTC. But not only this, on the 50% level, the $30,473 approximately, we do have major 4 hourly closes. Look at this. We do have several 4 hourly closes at this level, okay? You can see here, I will tell you the days right now, okay? The 20th of May, 19th of May, we've got the 23rd of May, we've also got here the 17th of May right over here. All of these 4 hourly closes are exactly, okay, the 3rd of June, they are exactly at that range, at that $30,400, $30,500 area. It is also the 50% Fibonacci retracement. If we start getting some type of consolidation in the next couple of days at this level, it might be a very good level where we can see the price of Bitcoin dropping down, okay? So this is what I'm going to eye in the next coming days. Am I going to speculate that this price is going to go all the way up here? Absolutely not, because we can actually roll down from this range, okay? Super cautious. Of course, the 618, it is slightly higher. Where is the 618? Well, it is slightly higher than the $30,500 range. If I take a look at Fib level, it is at $30,700 area, okay? It's also these major spikes where the price action of Bitcoin didn't manage to get up. So if we do see this in the next few days, remember, this is a major level of potential volatility. We could have some consolidations and maybe get that rejection to the downside, okay? This is something that we're going to eye in the next coming days. Till we get to those levels, anything can happen. We can consolidate sideways, and continue back down, of course. So this is something that we're going to talk about in the next coming days. Now we're going to go through the sponsor segment of this video. We're going to talk about Margex leverage trading platform, upcoming major platform that is very much talked about and gaining in volume by the week. It has a combined liquidity of 12 exchanges in one place, so you don't have to worry about liquidity. As a bank grade multi-layer security, extremely secure, and no personal details are required. No KYC is required. You can start in less than 2 minutes. If you sign up with the link down below, you get a $50 bonus to pay trading fees. And also, if you deposit over $300, you get a $50 bonus, and you also get 15% added to your deposit so you can pay trading fees with that bonus, okay, available for 14 days. Now, once you sign up with the link in the description, this will take you to this page over here where you do have the trading interface. As you can see here at the left, you can choose your cross margin or just isolated margin here. As you can see here with the X's, you have a bunch of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, ADA, Solana, and also here in the left, you can choose your limit, market order, place your stop loss. Here on the left, you can see the funding rate, all right? The rates here for longs is minus 0.25 and for shorting minus 0.05%. Now, also here on the right, you have your order book. On the bottom here, your order positions, your active orders, position history. Now, to claim the bonus, you need to go here to wallet, all right? Make your deposit in different cryptocurrencies you can use as collateral, such as Bitcoin, USDT, Link, Ethereum, okay? Once you make the over $300 deposit, you need to use a promo code here, Andy15, which will be down below. Once you use Andy15 as a promotion code, you'll be added 15% on top of that to pay trading fees. Now, also here in settings is where you're going to choose your language and also put the 2FA, which would be the Google Authenticator for more security if you prefer. You have an incredible referral program for yourself. And here in support, you do have a live chat. They will be in contact with you in less than 24 hours if you had any issue. And also video tutorials here so you can learn how to use the platform 100%. Now, back here to the trading interface. Now, you might have used some other platforms that you have Scamwix. They do not have Scamwix on this platform, so you're totally safe with Scamwix, and they do support over 100,000 trades per second, which is absolutely amazing. Now, guys, if you want to get an insane bonus, you have it down below, $50 on top of a plus 0.004 Bitcoin deposited, and also you're getting 15% added to your deposit if you deposit more than $300 to pay trading fees. The link and the bonus is down below. Now, what happens if Bitcoin does actually break this zone? What happens if we do break here the lows of $29,300? Then, of course, what is the major level where I can see a potential bounce? If we do get a reaction, if we do get a consolidation, this level is exactly here at the $28,600. This is the value area low from the volume traded the last 25 days, approximately 20 to 30 days, okay? Almost the entire month of May and part of June, the value area low, as you can see on the volume profile, is this level, $28,600. So if you do see the price of BTC actually breaking down this zone, we could have an aggressive drop. I would stay extremely cautious. If we do consolidate at this level, it's the level where I will potentially look for some longing opportunities, at least to the $300 range, okay? Well, this is where we do have these B bounces as support. So major levels to take massive opportunities in Bitcoin the next coming days. This has only been the update for today's episode. We've had a very aggressive drop. I'm not sure if we are going to manage in the next coming hours to come here to the 30,400, 30,500, where I do expect the price to consolidate for a while, for looking for those potential shorting opportunities. Other scenario would be just going sideways. Of course, after such an aggressive drop, price of Bitcoin can go sideways for quite some time. But if we do start dropping in the next coming hours, okay, I do expect this level to hold very nicely. If we do start consolidating, I would see the bears that they are getting exhausted, and this could give us a short-term opportunity to drive all the way up at least to round about that $29,300 range. Okay, guys, this is going to be it for today's episode. Of course, as soon as we start breaking these major support levels, the probabilities in actually coming down to that $25,000 area low of the 12th of May, then it is higher probable, okay, once we start losing these support levels, that we are actually going to come down there, guys. As soon as we start breaking successfully $28,600, that if this does happen the next coming days, we will be looking for those opportunities at this range. But because this still hasn't happened, we're just looking inside of the range. Thank you guys for this quick update. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Check out the Bitcoinsensus website for the latest news and technical analysis ideas. The information is down below for our socials. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.